Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can install Midjourney on your Discord. Now remember, Midjourney is not an app, it is basically a Discord server. So you need to join it, and from that Discord server, you can create any image you want. That is basically what Midjourney is. Now if you want to install Midjourney, you need to first install Discord on your PC and open Discord. Once you open Discord, at the left corner you will see a plus button. Click on it. From over here, click on join a server, and over here where it says search, you want to write Midge. Once you search for Midjourney, click on join server, and then you'll be able to join Midjourney Discord server. And once you join Midjourney Discord server like this, what you need to do is click on the Midjourney bot, which is going to be displayed at the right side under member. Once you click on Midjourney bot, you want to click on view profile. Once you click on view profile, you can click on add app and then click on select server and then install Midjourney in any one of the server you want. So let's say I want to add Midjourney in this server. I can click on continue and I can click on authorize, and then I can show Discord that I'm a human. Once I verify I'm a human, it is going to be added on my server just like this. That is how you guys can install Midjourney. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos on how to install Midjourney. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.